Okay, so hey guys, so I'll be continuing the tutorial for a Korean makeup look. So let's go first with the contour, the Korean makeup way. So I'll be using this contour stick by Benefit. This is called Hula. So I applied it on my face, on the different corners of my face, to my cheeks, chin, and also to my forehead to make my face look smaller. So this contour stick is very helpful among Koreans to sculpt their face. Okay, so we just defined the different corners of our face. We can also intensify it or lighten it. So I used a foundation brush to blend the contour makeup, and so it is very important to blend the makeup well so that it'll look natural on the face. And then of course guys, you can also use different uh, or other makeup brushes as well. But as for me, I prefer the foundation brush because the contour stick has the consistency of such a foundation. And you can also use a sponge if you want. So that would be of your preference. Then of course guys, let us not forget our nose when we're contouring, and also our eyes. So for the contour, there are different shades as well that will fit your face depending on your complexion. And I think that for Koreans, this shade would be too dark. But as for me, it'll look it looks natural. So that will be all for the contour. And we are now going for the eye makeup. So I used this Can Make palette for my eye makeup. So we can go for a peach look for eye makeup, Korean eye makeup, and I used this brush to apply the makeup. And the technique that I use is that I applied first on the upper outer corner of my eyes, then I went to the center, and then to the inner corner of my eyes. So guys, I used this um, pink eyeshadow for my eyes, and I used the technique um, that I have told you. So I just applied from the outer corner and then to the inner corner. If you'd like to put an eyeliner, you may do so. However, for this eye makeup, what I used is that the angled brush using a different uh, shade of the palette. So that is what the eye makeup looks when we zoom it in. So doing the same technique on the other side, I went or applied the makeup first on the upper outer corner, and then I went in. So we can fix it later when we blend. So no worries if we have intensified the eyeshadow makeup a lot. And then I use this gel liner by Clio to apply on my um, to line my eyes. So this would be a very um, the payoff is really great. The color payoff is really great for this eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. When I applied it, it was very easy to apply, and I would like to recommend it to everyone, guys, because it just made my eyes a lot look different. And the shimmer is there too. It looks so fun, and really, guys, I love this gel liner, and I really recommend it to you. And I think that anything that is in the lineup of Club Clio brand is really great for makeup. Bam! Okay, so I just said bam because the impact of this gel liner onto my eyes is really life-changing, I guess. Bam! And then, so what I did next is that I think I went for the darker shade of the eyeshadow and used, so I'm right. I used the angled brush to apply or to make a definition more of my eyes. So to define my eyes more, I used this or the darkest shade um, of the palette and applied it to serve as my eyeliner. So basically here what I did is that I just defined my eyes more by applying the darkest shade of the eyeshadow palette. So it really makes practice, guys, and after so long that I haven't really used an eyeliner, I think that I need to practice a lot more now. And so I just wanted to put definition into my eyes, and you can use a pencil or the darkest shade of an eyeshadow palette, so you may use as you please. But just to define our eyes. It's just to define eyes. Yan. I think I look more Korean now. Do I look more Korean now? That's my question. Kasi I don't know if I look Korean or not. But I think I did my best naman. Does my makeup give justice to Korean makeup look? What do you guys think? So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something from me. So here's the finished look of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. See you guys on the next one. Bye guys.